Hey, were you the guy on the radio the other day talking to Tower saying you fly the Lockheeds?
No.
No? Okay, I heard him talking with somebody who was over here and he had a whole bunch of GoPros set up.
That was me.
Huh?
That was me. You asked me if I was the YouTube guy?
No, flying Lockheeds.
No.
No? He was talking with the Tower about flying Lockheeds and I'm like, man, I'm really jealous. He's like, yeah, I'll take you up too. You make YouTube videos?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
I'm going doing the city tour this morning. I got the whole thing set up right now.
Nice.
So.
Can you leave your YouTube channel with the girls in front? I want to check it out when it's made.
Sure.
I definitely want that.
No problem. Thanks, bud. I'll see you. See? Somebody likes it. Alright. Let's check it out. Good morning. So, it's just one of the instructors here at the school. He wants to check out my YouTube channel. That's pretty cool. There's a story behind last week. The audio, I was up last week and the audio wasn't working right. And the guy in the tower asked me if I was the guy from with the YouTube channel. I'm like, yeah. I was like, yeah, that's me. So he was interested in the channel and the whole thing. He came across my videos on there, so I offered to take him up for a ride. I'm going to give him a call now when we get started up here, and let him know that I didn't forget about him. Anyhow, it's Sunday morning, early, usual spot. I'm going to do the city tour. As I said, the audio wasn't great on last week's video, and this mount here at the back kind of came loose and the camera dropped down here, so I really didn't get the footage that I wanted to get for you. So we'll try it again this morning. Weather is kind of really nice for flying. It's calm winds. The clouds are way up there. It's early. Shouldn't be too many people around the city at this hour, so we'll get in there and do the tour. And we can't do the tour if we don't get going, right? Alrighty. Oh man, this checklist is shot. Let me get my own pages and everything missing. Alright. There it is. Parking brake on. This is switch. Straight it on. Just forward. Already we're full forward. First start of the day, so we'll prime it. Fires up. There we are. Fuel. Let's go. Clear prop.
Initial contact, you have information, golf.
Golf.
Republic Airport information, Golf 1253 Zulu, observation wind 350 at 5. Visibility 10. Ceiling 10,000 broken. Temperature 4, dew point -3, altimeter 3041. Visual approach east, landing and departing runway 32. IFR departures, advise ground control for taxi to Chihuahua IFR. Repack call runway hold short instructions, all runway assignments and all altitude assignments. Advise Republic Tower initial contact, you have information, Golf. Republic Airport information, Golf 1253 Zulu, observation wind 350 at 5. Visibility 10. Ceiling.
Public ground, good morning, Cirrus 1, correction 299 Alpha Tangos, Nassau Flyers information, Golf for taxi active southwest departure. Good morning, it's Cirrus 299 Alpha Tango, Nassau Flyers information, Golf for taxi active southwest departure.
Cirrus 299 Alpha Tango, public ground westbound on request, runway 32 taxi via Golf Delta, have a nice flight.
Southwest departure towards Jones Beach, taxi 32 via Golf Delta 9 Alpha Tango.
Copy, southwest.
And I didn't forget about you last Sunday. I got the number from the tower, so I'll give you a quick call when I get back.
No worries, man. Talk to you soon.
Thank you. Flaps up. Fuels on the opposite tank. We're rolling. Yeah, so that's Alex up in the tower. He was talking to me last Sunday. As I said, the audio didn't come out right on the last video. Hopefully, hopefully it's working today. I see everybody, all the ports are listening in now, so hopefully it's working. Yeah, he was asking me about my YouTube channel, and I offered him, the chance to go right seat. So hopefully we can set up a flight sometime. Alex, if you're watching, we'll get to go with all the videos set up and get you some footage for your for yourself. So I brought every camera that I own along here today. Actually, no, I didn't. There's a couple of them left at home. All the GoPro cameras are in action today. I've got all what you see here. There's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up front here, 1 over here, and then there's 3 more in the back. I wanted to get the back view because there's some nice views of New York there. So we'll try and get you some of those. And show you what it's like to go into the Class Bravo along the shoreline and do the Hudson River tour of New York City. It's a tough place, but early in the morning they're usually friendly enough to give you a clearance into the Class Bravo, so we get to climb inside the Class Bravo. And there's, I think, a total of 6 frequency changes along the way. We'll be talking to this tower here, then we'll switch over to Kennedy. Explain more about that when we get going. But there is a lot of frequency changes and a lot of altitudes we need to hold nice and tight. And just all in all, a fun flight. So it's the week before Thanksgiving holiday here. And before I forget, in case I don't fly next weekend, I just want to wish you all a safe, happy holiday.
Republic Ground Cherokee 38433 at Atlantic with information, Gulf, ready to taxi to runway 32, southeast departure.
Thanksgiving weekend.
53843 Republic Ground, good morning, southeast on request, runway 32 taxi via Golf Alpha, cross the approach end of runway 1.
Thanks again for stopping by the channel over
Class
here.
Everyone at the approach end, Golf Alpha to runway 3,
what I did put up, appreciate you stopping by to check it out.
Good morning.
And hopefully we'll continue to upload.
Right. Doors are locked. Caps handle verify removed. Caps handle is removed. Put that back up there. Alrighty. Seatbelt secure, air conditioner is required. We'll turn that off for now. Fuel quantity, fuel tanks are full. Fuel's on the left tank. Flaps 50. Flaps down on the right side. Flaps down on the left side is good. Transponder set 1200. Autopilot. Engage on the heading. Heading mode. Rolls to the right. Rolls to the left. I can still overpower it. And it's disengaged full power control. As GPS is set, tower's up next. We'll put Kennedy Tower up here on 2525. Just to get the initial call to him. Okay. Cabin heat's required. Brakes on. Power lever up to 1700. Alternator check. I'm gonna go load up everything. Heater heat on. Alternator check. Let's go to the exit that. Go to the engine. Alternator. Yeah, we're pulling off all two. Good. Essential bus.
Yeah, we're pulling ground. Motor 4641 Hotel is Ventura Golf Taxi.
Alright.
Mooney 3641 Hotel, Republic Ground, runway 32. Taxi via cross, Bravo 4, back taxi runway 19er, Golf 3 Alpha.
Mag check. Go back to the engine one more time.
Golf 3,
60 right there. Good.
Mooney 1 Hotel, thank you. And what's your direction after departure?
north,
1660, that's good.
Advise on, good morning, it's 64423. Echo Ram, ready taxi with Golf, reporting to northeast, student pilot.
All in the green, everything's looking good in the green.
That's a 64433 Republic Ground, runway 32, taxi via Alpha, cross runway 1.
Alpha, crossing runway 14, runway 32, Southwest 64423, student pilot.
1000 RPM, good. Boost pump is coming on. Flight instruments.
Follow ground, this is Cessna 16237 at NASA flight, ready to send CDFR with information. Golf.
Good. Heading is good.
Cessna 16237 Republic Ground, runway 32, taxi via Golf Delta, say direction after departure.
Down. Elevator up.
Southeast departure, please. 6237.
Up.
Southeastbound departure is on request of 237.
Trim is
You said runway 32 via Golf Delta, Cessna 16237.
We're ready to roll. Alrighty then.